Hello dear friends, welcome to Kesaria Textile Company. Guys, in this video I'm gonna coming with the newly arrived beautiful sale sections. All the concepts I'm gonna showcasing you, all the beautiful concepts and varieties. I'm just showing only the, please take the screenshot and send it to the screen available number. Any of the item you may like, particular talking about the ranges and prices, it's just rupees like ranges like 400, 500, 700. But you have to know the starting range, then it will be the 61. On that 61 ranges, approximate 100 and 150, 200, that kind of ranges with come along with all of the fabric. Either it will be the print, either it will be the cotton, either it will be the any of the concepts. So guys, first in my hand in these kind of beautiful variety, I'm gonna showcasing you in these kind of concepts. See, beautifully, nicely, these kind of concepts are worked here. You kind of see. Fully the saree will be opening in front of you. All the concepts and sarees you will be get. See, in these kind of unstitched blouse also you will be getting this kind of variety. So guys, next variety you want to see all these kind of, I'm showcasing you all these kind of varieties you will be get at some of the beautiful concepts and ranges like 500, 600, that kind of ranges. I'm just giving only the approximate concepts. You're going to notice these kind of beautiful pallu designs or systems also. See, all the sarees will be open in front of you. See, in these kind of variety you will be get. Unstitched blouse also you will be getting this kind of variety. And next concepts of the sarees, you may like that these kind of products are very familiar with the preferable in the southern regional of India. In this kind of variety, you're going to be see beautiful copper zari work on the both side, and you're going to be notice these kind of beautiful concepts also. See. These kind of unstitched blouse also you will be get in these kind of contrasting designs also. And these kind of preferable sarees, these all are come on that concepts which are preferable in the southern region of India, like Karnataka or Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh. These kind of concepts and regional taste also they will get. I'm not opening this because once it's gonna be open, then the finishing gonna be disturbed. So that's why I'm not opening it. And guys, talking about our range system, our range will be the fixed. Either you will be the wholesaler or retailer or manufacturer, any of that. Or you have to want to start your new businesses. Then also most welcome, guys. Because in our company, all the ranges for all kind of customers will be the same. There will be no any of the changes in any of our prices or fabric. So guys, next concepts. It's one of the highly beautiful concepts. See, in these kind of variety you will be getting here only. And you want to be notice these kind of beautiful peacock or traditional concepts also. See, fully you want to see, and these kind of unstitched blouse or some of these kind of beautiful pallu or these kind of designs also you will be getting here only. So guys, let me remind you, set wise you have to purchase 6 to 7 different color shades. You will be getting all kind of variety, and you want to be see that on the camera. Then we have also our particular brand name in our boxes and packaging also. So guys, in these kind of packagings or brands also we're going to be manufactured in our company. So if you want to be interested to start your own businesses, then also most welcome, guys, because photo, product, boxes, for all this we are ready. You have to just come and visit once in a while our company. Many of the departments also there. Apart from that, many of the concepts also you will be get at under one roof. So guys, in this video that's all. Please give your precious comments, reviews or feedbacks in our comment section. Till there, see you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.
साड़ी कुर्ती या हो लहंगा, सही दाम का नाम केसरिया, सही दाम का नाम।